In this video, we will discuss about message currency, communication speed and control. At first, we have to know what is currency. Currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. In short, it's money in the form of paper or coin usually issued by a government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. We have already discussed that a basic communication model consists of 5 components: the sender and the receiver, the medium that carries the message, contextual factors, and the message itself, and feedback. Transmission modes. Based on the direction of data from sender to receiver, there can be 3 types of transmission modes, which are simplex, half-duplex, and full-duplex. Now we will discuss it one by one. Simplex mode. In a simplex mode, among the 2 devices which are communicating with each other, one device can only be a sender and the other can only be a receiver. Thus, the sender device will not receive data but will transmit data. The receiver device will only receive data but will not transmit or send any data. This transmission is unidirectional. As for example, keyboards, monitors or displays, traditional FM radios, etc. Traditional FM radios only output broadcasted or transmitted audio from stations but does not communicate back. The main advantages of simplex mode is the sender can use the full capacity of the medium to transmit data, so more data is transmitted at a time. The disadvantages is it's a one-way connection, so no intercommunication between devices. Half-duplex. In half-duplex, both devices which are communicating with each other can send and receive data, but not at the same time. That is, when one device is sending data, then another device can only receive that data but cannot send data back. This is like a narrow bridge where vehicles from both ends of the bridge can cross the bridge but not at the same time. As for example, walkie-talkie, CB radios, etc. The main advantages of half-duplex mode is in half-duplex both devices can send and receive data, and also entire capacity of the transmission medium is used when transmitting data. The disadvantages is as when one device is sending data, then another one must wait. This can cause delay in sending the data at the right time. Full duplex mode. In full duplex or duplex mode, both devices can send and receive data at the same time. Here is this transmission mode. Data going in a direction will share the capacity of the transmission medium with the data going in another direction. This sharing can be obtained by 2 ways, such as by sharing the capacity of the medium or having 2 physically separated transmission paths. As for example, telephone, cell phone networks, etc. The main advantages of full duplex mode is both parties can talk and listen to each other at the same time. The main disadvantages of full duplex mode is if there is no dedicated path in the network, then the capacity will be divided into 2. Now try this. What is message currency? Briefly discuss about communication speed and control.